the short and the top. All right, extra, extra small to 5X. So Crystal has, and then we could go tight on either me or Angel or Crystal, because really it is about the bling ties. Angel's go-to stretch velvet hoodie. It's velvet that is so soft and stretchy, but the bling ties looks like jewelry, friend. You did so well done on this outfit. Nobody has seen anything like this at QVC. They all came up to me and said, "What is this?" And I said, "It's Quacker." And I said, just stick around because you're gonna love it. Here is the teal on a clearance sale price. Okay, yes. I feel like we should have done this first.
Do not miss this, yeah.
Miss this. They're starting to get very limited in the black. And then we also have my favorite color in the wine. I mean, 400 left in the wine. Angel, I'm gonna get my phone and buy this right now before it disappears.
Go ahead, do you want me to take over while you do it?
You got to get the set.
You really do.
And then let's bring the pants up because this is a set. You gotta get.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So nice length on this. We gave you a band at each cuff, at the hem, side seam pockets, nice generous
you have 4
hood.
Pockets with
nice
the pants,
generous hood,
yeah.
right? And then you have
close.
Pièce de résistance.
It's like
glamorous
diamond.
Yes.
It looks like diamonds. It looks like jewelry, friend.
Yes.
It's hard to describe.
It's really beautiful. And you know what? I have to tell you.
It just shines and shines.
I wore this last week and just throw it in the washing machine.
Yeah.
Turn it inside out, throw it in the washing machine. Now I lay it flat to dry. I think it says you can tumble dry it, but I lay it flat to dry. But you do you.
Look at the, are we doing a jewelry show right now? This is 400,000 carats. I mean, look, this is the tie. It's hard to describe what this is, but this is not fabric or anything. This actually feels so nice. It's just giving you the most incredible bling bling. Right?
Yeah.
Bling bling that just kind of dresses this up so quickly.
I know. No, I love this. I absolutely love the bling. But if you're not a bling girl and you love the fabric, you could always remove this.
You
just pull it right out. I agree with you.
It's so
I'm just saying for our you know, for our customers who are watching, if you don't love the bling, you could always remove it. But Crystal, I wouldn't personally.
I feel so comfortable.
It's so comfortable.
I look cool.
Don't you look cool with the bling bling? Angel did such a good job. You cannot miss up on this opportunity of getting a clearance sale price on the top, which by the way, when you get the top and then you get the bottom, you're also gonna get 4 pockets. And then if we could put that, bottom information up, because this is a set that you cannot miss out on, friends.
No, you really can't.
You got a sale price on the jogger bottom. Thank you, Chance. Here is the information on the bottom. I would suggest, right, Angel, when there is a set, please get the set.
Oh, 100%.
100%.
Because here's the thing, we have a jegging in the show.
Mm-hmm.
This hoodie goes great with the jeggings, great with your jeans.
You just look polished.
But you do look polished when you have that head-to-toe set. And we, Nancy, many years ago, we did 2-piece sets, top and bottom.
Yep.
And the thing is not everyone is the same size on the top and the bottom. So here you get to customize the outfit to what size it is that you want. Like I went up to a 2X in the top because I wanted it roomy. The 1X fits me, but I wanted it extra roomy because that's just how I personally like it, right? I just like this look.
They're all so
the
good.
Black would be my top. I mean, they're all good though. So the wine is really fun.
I have to say, I had the wine, but looking at Crystal, the black is so dressy.
It's really good.
I mean, if you could just see, for me, it's really this bling bling tie. I have never seen anything like this. It feels so good, but it looks so good. It catches the light. And honestly, friends, this is your necklace. This is your jewelry. This is why I got stopped 4 times. I think I sold 4 of these just running around, and they're like, "Is this Quacker Factory?" And I said, "Yeah."
Yep.
It is.
I
it's
was wearing
Angel's
this
go-to.
I don't know if you know this. I scrapbook, and so last weekend was my annual weekend scrapbooking with 40 women in a room,
you have the best parties and gatherings.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I wore this in the black, and my friend Kathy, who used to work here at QVC, we were roomies for the weekend. She was like, is that Quacker? I said,
Yeah.
yeah. I said, yeah, you need
Yeah.
to get it. She's like, I love it. I
Yeah.
said, yeah, definitely. And you know what? I
This
love it
top.
even more,
Yeah.
you know, now that, you know, we're offering you, you know, or so we'll do with this.
Oh my gosh, my
That.
black is gone in extra, extra small. I'm telling
get
you.
the extra
for
small. Is there
30
extra small?
Yeah, $37.99
extra
for the top. I mean, this is nuts. Okay, and then we're going to give you the information for the bottoms as well.
Yep.
But you're right. You can kind of like mix up the sizes. We love that you're selling these each individual, right? So I kind of sized up on the bottom,
Yeah.
you know, if I wanted to, and then you sized up on the top because
Absolutely.
very, very. I could definitely.
It's not overwhelming.
Yeah.
You could definitely,
Very
if
flex.
we don't have your size available in your choice of color,
Yep.
you could definitely go up because of the elasticized waist on this. That is so beautifully done.
Yeah.
And then that hoodie just finishes the whole detail. We didn't really even go into.
I know.
There's that extra stitch in the waistband to help prevent twisting,
It's the
which sometimes
softest
happens.
velvet.
It is
Yeah.
really
Complete
dreamy.
stretch.
Is really
You
dreamy.
know what? I used to like live in these kind of velvet, like lounge,
Yes.
leisure kind of things. And I love that this one's like updated, you know,
Yes.
for like 2025. It's so blingy. It's really the ties.
Yeah.
Angel, you did so good.
Well,
I'm
thank
so
you.
proud of you, friend.
Thank you. My team
It's
did
like
that.
jewelry.
I just
Ooh, I
suggested the
love.
fabric and
Really?
the silhouettes, but they did that just to give it that Quacker
So
touch.
good.
So I cannot take the credit, but this is such a good set. That's why it's my go-to.
Yep.
Because I live in this
All right.
over
well,
and over.
$37.99 for the top. $12.66 gets us home. Here is teal. We also have it in black. And then Angel. Should I get the wine or the black? I don't know. Should
Both.
I know.
Both.
Hi, Fred. I know. At this price, I mean, are you kidding me?